Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, check the volume level. You can do that by just adjusting the volume with the buttons or going into the settings, then sounds and vibration, and here you have all the volume. Next, flip your phone like that and clean here the speaker with a soft brush or compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools. Next thing is to disable the Bluetooth because the audio might be routed. And last thing, click and hold the power on button and then click and hold the power off button to reboot to safe mode and click OK. Now the phone is restarted and first unlock it and now test your audio with a music or something like that, because in a safe mode we can rule out the app interference. To exit the safe mode, just simply restart your phone. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.